Students, in this video, I want to cover one specific thing in which a lot of students waste time. This is specifically relevant for NEET 2021 aspirants because limited time remain around 5.5 to 6 months. For 2022 aspirants also, this is very, very important. Please try and understand what I'm trying to say in this video. You know, this is the sequence of studies, right? I've told you 100 times, watch videos and take notes, read NCERT, and after that practice question. Physics, chemistry chapters 100 questions, bio chapters 200 questions. I have explained a lot of time. This is a lot of questions. Don't worry whether this is less or not. I have explained to you this is close to 13,500 questions because there are 96 chapters. Now what happens is, why taking these notes is important. There are 3 benefits out of taking these notes. When someone is teaching you through a video or you are going to a classroom coaching, when you write notes, you are writing it in your own language. You are understanding it better. Second thing, when you are writing notes, you will not forget because you are writing. And third thing, when you come back and revise those notes, because you will not be able to watch all the videos again. If you are going to classroom coaching, the teacher is not going to teach you again, right? When you write it in your own language, you would be able to understand it better when you come back, right? What students do is, so this covers your theory portion and this covers your application portion, right? Ultimately, you have to practice, you have to study theory and apply it in MCQs, because ultimately NEET exam is about finishing 180 MCQs in 180 minutes, correct? Now what happens is, a lot of students, they will also have books or guides, right? They might have modules, some coaching modules. Both of them would have MCQs, they would also have theory. MCQs, theory. In my mind, this is perfectly useless because this and this is enough for theory. This and this is enough for theory. NTA has also communicated in 4 papers they have conducted, 2 in 2019, 2 in 2020, that they are strictly restricting themselves to what is written in NCERT. To understand NCERT, you have already watched the videos, right? So you don't need to worry about whether you need more theory or not. You don't need more theory. So save your time in going through theories of books or guides or modules. It is perfectly useless for you. It is going to waste your time. Doing this itself requires a lot of time and you don't have time to waste. You are not preparing for 5 years later. You are preparing for either this year's exam or next year's exam. Every time you waste your time, the risk of dropping for 1 more year to prepare for next year increases. Don't do that to yourself. Even when you are practicing questions, I would strongly recommend practice from one source. Don't practice it from multiple sources. If you want to practice it from modules, if you want to practice it from book, practice, or you want to practice it from neetprep.com. A lot of you have joined our Achiever course or Inspire batch. Practice it from only one source. Don't use multiple sources, otherwise you will not be able to complete your syllabus. I know this problem is there with a lot of students. They collect a lot of material around them and try and do everything. They are not able to do completely any of the things, and then they feel depressed and demotivated about it. Please stop it right now. This is one place where you can save your time. Don't go through theory of these books, guide material. This is your biggest guide. This is your biggest book. This is your biggest module. Just focus there. You have already watched the videos. Then you have read NCERT. This is good enough for you to understand the theory. Go to practicing question right after that. Don't waste your time on theory. Hopefully you have understood. Tell me in the comment section of the video if you are doing this mistake, and second thing, whether you are going to stop it now or you are going to continue doing it. All right, students.